Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this is the Alibaba IPO. It started trading, and I've been trading it. Came out of nowhere. What was it? About a 2.5 hour delay. So totally forgot to get things recording, and I'm up 443 on it. Unfortunately, only up $8 on the day, and I'll explain more of that. But I want to get things going. If you've never watched a live trade video, this is just where I try to record things as they unfold. And getting crazy right now, so I'll let you know when I look for my next entry point. Okay, I traded a couple more times, again, just so fast, but now it's pulling back here. So this could get nasty here, so I'm going to sit out a little bit. 99s, I got much more safer with my buys. I just got 14 and took 14-cent scores each, just because watching level 2s, 99s looked really like, okay, the sellers started to step back in. And now you can see it's starting to pull back here, so I'm going to need to get a little bit more cautious here. Maybe try to sneak in there. Nope, good thing I didn't do that, because... Alright, now we'll see how nasty this ends up getting. I'm going to just go back down to 100 share lots, just because I need to keep risk under control. So now it's getting nasty, so let's see here. 95.01. I mean, that looked like a pretty big. So thinking about trying for some at 95.01. Nope, good thing I didn't go there. Level 2s, it's getting nasty here. Continues to pull back. Now 94 is getting tested. So here we go, the pump and now the dump. Now the question just becomes, how low does this pump go before people start to step back in? Maybe at 94, so I'm going to put in an order down there just to monitor the situation, but I'm not convinced yet. If this candle here starts to get even, deeper on the red side, that's just another sign, but yep, there it goes. Well, 93.70 looks like it's trying to step in as an area. Like I said, I'll only go in with 100 shares. And I'm not going to look to make a killing anymore now. And now it's, bummer, missed it. All right, I'm going to pause it. Well, maybe I'll let it run just in case I decide to get in again. Well, it looks like it. Oh, so I'm in, and I'm just going to get out. I actually, to be honest, I didn't really like that entry point, but I still made $28 on it real fast, 28 cents on those 100 shares. I just feel like this is just a little temporary breath before it goes to the downside, so... I'm just now, I don't know. I'm just not feeling 93.70. I'm watching level 2s like a hawk, though. If it still seems to be, but I feel like this one wants to form another, decent sized red candle there. I could definitely be wrong, and maybe that 93.70 would have been a prime entry. But it's definitely, it's no longer tanking anymore. That's the thing. So, red candle, now it's trying to bottom out here. How low has it gone so far? 93.20. So if 93.20 breaks, and that's kind of the level that could really kind of set the next round of floodgates open. So yeah, I mean, it's fighting here. Now it's clearly trying to bottom out. So the question really becomes, is this the bottom? I will pause it and keep you posted. Okay, 93.20 approaching. Like I said, if that falls, then I would expect a whole nother floodgate to open back up. Here it comes. It is broken, so let's see if this does indeed get nasty here. 93 will be the next big area of support. Right, that makes me feel a little bit better. It broke there and then didn't completely fall apart. I mean, it's still got to prove itself a little bit more to me, but I thought that it would get almost immediately. So within the fact alone that it didn't immediately get really nasty, that's a respectable sign, but not respectable enough for me to want to try to hop back in here. So let's see what happens. Now 93 is getting tested. And there is 93 is broken. So let's see if this now turns into another, this stupid fat finger trade's screwing up the chart. So I apologize for that, but there's nothing I can do in regards to that. Remember, the original IPO price was supposed to be, I think, down in the 80s, or I don't know. There's so much news, I've lost track of it, to be honest. But I know 90s, a lot of people are feeling this is way too expensive right now. So that's why I'm just kind of playing things cautious. So I will keep you updated. It's kind of losing its volatility a little bit. I mean, it's not that it's not volatile, so I don't want to come across like that, but it's not as wild as it was. Right when I say that, it's about to get done. Anyways, before the video drags on too long, what do I mean when I kind of really screwed up my day-to-day? Well, in the chat room this morning, I'm telling people my rules. Hey, I'm not trading anything else other than this one, so I'm going to wait. Because I don't want to either miss out on the trade or set myself back. And sure enough, what did I do? I went out there and set myself back. I got into a trade, PDEX, and it cost me $4.95. It wasn't a good plan. It was stupid. And sure, I'm back. Sure, I'm in the green. Yes, great. I'm up almost $100 on the day. But had I stuck to my plan, I'd be up $527 on the day, and hopefully more as I trade this. But because I broke the rule and my stupidity cost me $4.95, and again, I'm calling myself out because I want to keep myself accountable. And for those of you that were in the chat room this morning and having that conversation with me, you saw me put it that my one rule today was I'm either trading BABA or I'm not trading at all, because I'm either going to like the BABA action or I'm not. But I'm not going to risk on two fronts. Like I said, the risk being having other share or other positions open and then having this one open, and then now what do? I can't focus on everything, especially when you want to really focus on this. Or B, you just do something stupid and you set yourself back on the day. And for me, I didn't miss out. I was ready to go on this, but I did set myself back $4.95. And it was fine in the sense of, okay, I was confident that I could easily make those losses back on this one. But like I said, if I would follow my rules, I'd be up 527 right now, and there's really no excuse for it. I wish I could say, hey, that I'm new and I just didn't really understand, but no, I said it, and I still broke it. So shame on me. That it's really an inexcusable excuse, especially when you have something like this on the time frame. So to be honest, I've kind of ruined my weekend already because I'm mad at myself and just, what are you doing, you idiot? So I could make $10,000 today. I could make $15,000 today. I could make $25,000 today. But I'm still gonna have a bad weekend because this right here, inexcusable. I just stupid. But learn from it, and I am definitely learning from it. I am. This is part of my learning process. I know I'm rambling about it, but hey, you get to be a part of my learning curve, learning process here. I'm calling myself out. I'm going to be, this will be public on the internet, and I want people to know that I screwed up. I want people to know that, I screwed up in a stupid way, and it's really just unacceptable. So, rant over. You've probably turned it off by now, but let's see how this goes, and maybe some other trading. But don't set yourself back. Stick to your rules. Your mind knows why you should be putting those rules into place in the first place, and I just went against them, and it caught me. So let's keep at it here. 92 big break. That's the lowest it's gone. So if 92 falls, lowest it's gone in terms of this consolidation period here, I should clarify. So if 92 falls, then I'd expect it to fall a little bit, or to go on kind of another. I have an order in there. I'm hoping for a very fast dollar fall, then I can get some sort of kind of ricochet bounce back up. But so far, 92 is holding up as support once again. We'll see what happens. I'll try to capture the 92 break if it happens live, so I'll keep you updated. All right, my chart finally updated itself. So still watching. Looks like it may want to come out, but up from a bounce here, but no doubt about it. Up here at let's see, 93.50. 93.50, definitely a key area of resistance. So if it can get through there, may go on a nice little upwards move. And I'm thinking about potentially trying to buy on that break if it can get up there. But first needs to get through 93. So I will keep you updated. Okay, here comes the break of, or I don't know if it's going to be a break, but here comes that 92 area that I talked about was a very important area. And if it falls, I would expect it to get hammered pretty big. So let's see if it can fall or not. I'm going to throw in an order down there. I mean, look at it, just absorbing. Look at that. That's some good level 2 stuff right there. And there it's broken. So I'd expect it to now push to the downside, and I would expect 92 to act as a pretty stubborn area of resistance now going forward. So we'll see if it can get back up there and do battle with 92 once, and now we'll see how it acts over here on level 2s. But now already down 50 cents from the break, just was doing battle with 91.50, doing battle again. A lot of buying pressure down here, but that didn't hold. So now it's heading down pretty quickly to the 91 level. So as expected, that break of 92 has produced essentially a dollar move to the downside pretty fast. So I'll keep you updated while the video is already at 11. All right, I will let you know what happens and if I enter into any more trades. Well, I'm going to end the video here. Finished up at 627 on it. So 193 on the day, but you know, like I said, I'm still mad. My weekend is just whatever. I ruined it by breaking my rules, but it is what it is. So, you know, that's how my weekend got ruined. So, regardless, if you want to learn how to trade with charts and level 2s and everything that I've been showing, go to claytrader.com, check out my training section of the site. Also have a live trading group with a live chat room, send out a weekly newsletter, all that stuff. Everything very fairly priced. I'll be the first to admit I am biased, so that's why I say go check out the testimonials. Those are all uncompensated, unsolicited, so they really are a good third-party perspective. So check that stuff out. Also have Clay Trader University, which is just basically everything bundled together at a bulk discount price. So if you're looking to just save a lot of money up front and then have access to everything, lifetime membership to the trading group, live webinars, all that stuff, then look into Clay Trader University. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm sorry I rambled on quite a bit, but like I said, I wanted to use this as a learning tool for myself of just how frustrated you can get when you break the rules. But you know, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend, and remember, don't be like me. Trade without emotion.